In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Drive from a Windows computer using the search bar. This method is quick and uses built-in Windows options, so you won't need any extra tools. Before we start, it's a good idea to save your work and close Google Drive if it's running. Uninstalling removes the program from your computer, but it doesn't delete any files already stored in your Google Drive account online. First, go to the search bar next to the Start menu on your taskbar. This is the field where you normally search for apps or settings in Windows. Click inside the search bar to activate it, and then type Google Drive. You might see it listed as Google Drive or Drive for Desktop, depending on the version you previously installed. When Google Drive appears in the search results, right-click it. From the menu that pops up, click Uninstall. This option is a shortcut that takes you directly to the Windows Apps and Features page where installed programs are managed. If you're prompted by Windows to allow changes, go ahead and approve it. The Apps and Features window will open automatically. Here, you'll see a list of installed applications. Scroll through the list to find Google Drive. If you have a lot of apps installed, take your time and look carefully. In some versions of Windows, you can also use the search box within this window to quickly locate Google Drive by typing its name. Once you find Google Drive in the list, click it to expand the options. You'll see an Uninstall button appear. Click Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to remove it. Click Uninstall again to confirm. If Google Drive is still running in the background, Windows may ask you to close it before proceeding. Follow any on-screen prompts. Now, wait for Google Drive to be removed from your computer. The process may take a few moments, and you might see a progress bar. When it's done, the entry should disappear from the Apps and Features list. Your synced files that were saved locally will remain on your computer unless they were only streaming, and your cloud files are still safe in your Google Drive account online. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Drive using the search bar. If you ever need it again, you can reinstall it from Google's website. If this video helped, please like, subscribe,